pickup to take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1979 Ford F250 Custom. Regular cab 4x4. T paint code, so this is originally candy apple red. Now as you can see, like red paint will do quite often, it does show its age a little bit. A little fade to it, and there's going to be some patina on this truck as we go around it. It is a 76 DSO, so this is actually an original Colorado truck. So we'll take a close look at the wheel wells, cab corners, let you take a peek at those, and I'll tell you where you can see the underside pictures at, interior pics here in just a bit. Underneath the hood, 351 powered. It is paired up with a manual 4-speed transmission, power steering, power brakes. We're going to fire it up, take a look underneath the hood at the end of the video, let you take a peek at that. But first, take a look at the grille, headlight surrounds, bumper, all looking good. Now, as far as those still pictures I mentioned, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Obviously riding on an aftermarket wheel. Now here's one of the spots. I want to go around these wheel wells with you because, like I said, Colorado truck. So from what I have seen, pretty solid. And I will show you a few little spots that it has, but there's the first front passenger wheel well. Looks good. Now again, I mentioned the paint. It's going to show its age some, but it's one of those you can drive it the way you see it. Or if you want to take it to the next level, man, this is a good starting point. Look at this cab corner. Come around here to the back. Do have a little surface corrosion on it, but as you can see, it does not appear that anything is really all the way through on it. Bubbling from behind, anything like that. You can also see, take a look, the truck looks pretty darn straight. Doesn't appear that it's had a bunch of previous work done to it, anything like that. There are a few extra suspension components that we're taking off. We're going to leave in the back of it, but take a look at this bed. Not too bad a shape either. You got to consider 1979 as far as the age. Believed to be original miles of 60,699, I believe it is. It's believed to be original. Unfortunately, once the truck becomes a certain age, it doesn't stay with the title anymore. It'll be marked exempt. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Obviously, spare tire mount, that can be changed if you don't like it there. But always nice having one of those just in case. Once again, those still pictures, check out the undersides, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. All right, here's the spot I want to get around to show you, but let's take it the whole way to the bottom of this body, up around the wheel wells. Now you can see, may have had a little bit of work here, but it looks like it's been filled in, maybe to hold it from getting any worse. So if you wanted to improve upon that, you can do it, but again, not very much showing it all on this one. Come down here, you get a little bit, again, of kind of surface, a little bit of corrosion, but that's still solid. That can be worked with. Not a lot of labor to take care of that. Come up here to the front. Check those wheel wells out again. Look good. And let's take a look up and down the length of this one. See how nice and straight that is too. Like I said, you want to have some fun, drive it the way it is. Or if you want to take it to the next level, perfect truck for that. All right, interior, so red on red, black rubber flooring. Again, 351 underneath the hood, the 4-speed manual. Of course, the 4x4, the transfer case. Now, let's go ahead and fire this up. I'm gonna let you hear it run. We're gonna check out the engine bay. See how easily it starts. Here comes oil pressure, fuel gauge. Both of those appear to be working. That was a cold start, so as far as my temp gauge, it's not going to be up. Amp meter looks good. Yeah, look at that oil pressure and fuel gauge. I did not have the radio work. Blower fan did work and wipers worked. So there is a little aftermarket, it's like volt gauge right there also. So Take a look at the dash. Looking good there. Gonna make sure we're in neutral. Visor's intact. Headliner looks good. Seating area, cloth and vinyl combination. Free of rips, tears, holes. A little bit of wear from the seat being folded forward. Seat belt's intact. So interior shows nice also. Won't really need to do anything with that. Door closes nicely. Nothing crazy as far as the exhaust goes. Guess what you'd expect out of a 79 351 pickup. All right, let's slip up to the front. I'm gonna pause this, let you check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood pop. Let's take a look under here. Oh, got a smooth runner. Nice sounding 351. There you go, power steering. Power brakes, and as you can see, looks like new rotor, cap, wires. Of course, power steering, power brake, truck. Guess what you'd expect to see underneath there. There you go. Looking for a Colorado truck, 1979. Looking solid in this Ford F250 custom regular cab, 4x4. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Remember those still pictures. Check this thing out on undersides, interior, all over. Take your time looking through the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.